Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Linstead Catering comes alive tonight as 4 more cells go to lyrical warfare. Ammunition is loaded in tonight's episode of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Why did your son decide to enter this year?
Because Guinness Sounds of Greatness give sound system in the world a wide variety of exposure and entertainment to the world at large. And you don't know, say, if I say entertainment to the world, don't reach Real Sound represent.
Now, what is going to make Real Money Sound stand out?
The chemistry between me and the great fire bigs, you see what I say? Yeah, with the bad dub.
Cliffy, why did you all decide to enter this clash?
Well, it's the opportunity, you know, to contribute back to dancehall and have some fun. You know, so we just try it.
Plus, you want to keep warm because Canada kill you.
No, Canada warm right now.
Whatever, Cliffy. It is a big season for Guinness. It's our 11th year of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. How do you feel being a part of it?
Hey, I'm very grateful, honestly. This is everything different. And last year, some little mishap happened. Last season, bigger and better, them say no, I come out bigger and better. Strap.
Somebody with a day with your friend and you know your friend straight. And you rate all your friend and you know your friend a be a chip up your and bust be a blank in the ear for your friend. Tell you one of them again. Because we clean and come out and we not watch nobody Guinness. Yo! From the first person to the second person to the third person, draw a Guinness. You start, pick one. Don't look at it yet, just hold it. Second, third, fourth. Good. Fourth person, look for the Guinness. What number you have? Number 3. Number 3. What number you have? Badman. What number you have, Badman? Yo.
Number few.
That not in the numeral. How you count? Tell him how you count. We count 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. You're gonna heaven. Tell me friend fi follow me, yep. Your number 2, you draw. Alright, big up yourself. Go and hold on for the 2. What number you have?
Number 4.
4. What number you have?
The winning number.
That's where you reach first. And you first reach. God work it out right. You reach first and play first.
The first round of the competition is a juggling round. In this juggling round, each sound will juggle for 15 minutes. At the end of their 15 minutes, the judges will judge them based on stage presence, musical selection, and also crowd reaction. At the end of the entire round, the sounds will be ranked from number 1 to number 4, and that is their placement for the second round. So, round 1, Linstead ready. Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
If you're ready for war, Linstead, say war! You ready, my brother? Start
The
it!
juggling round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start shoot now, sing. I'm going to watch up round.
Time and soul with a lot of sinful thoughts. When the devil whisper,
All who come out, free up for yourself, man.
Done red
Real
son.
sound there.
Real son. Saint Elizabeth. Yo, skinny.
Yes, so go on.
Them fi know no sound, no killer ready.
Yo.
Who a boots them like them ready for
Rise
the
up, man.
cemetery. We no care about no peace
Oh,
or
fire, so rise up.
No traffic front everybody.
Yo.
Walk out in our face you. You know see your cheap sound, you're the ramp.
I'll be set. Guinness. Level. I don't miss somebody put up an all in a year. Maybe tell her what one.
R.I.P. to a real. R.I.P. to a real. R.I.P. to a real. Real.
Level.
Real.
No go like when pocket full of cash. Many hungry days I used to face, you can't forget. Many K, you car them not
Level. When me a cut song, me a cut song normal. Make your tell her. Yo.
Rather they pan. Protect me while me, I protect myself.
Oi! Yes or no, man?
Them like message for them. Man, you feel roll with this look on me every day.
Oi!
When we lift the chopper, circle the ends, everybody flatter. Midnight.
Rich just touched down in the airport. Track suits and the Air Force. All of me gal them love me. All the one say me ugly. She go spot the design.
Money, what chop. Any boy this them get. Don't wish drive by in the chop. Pull them body up. Don't with sun when it black. Bad mind son, boy you watch that.
Remember hear everybody sing low.
We not frightened of it, people, not frightened of it, people now.
Sing again.
We no love like
Guinness. Yes, what go on now?
Anything me say me, I gotta do me meaning.
Oi!
We not coming unless I'll get to you, get your money like that. Ready, break for the number, straight for the never.
All who love Dunrich sound say Dunrich.
Time. That's not more time, man. Now we're ready for the next song right now. Goes by the name Real Money.
That boy and I spend no money. I remember telling this. Me didn't know them, me didn't play the whole like top 10 them. Look what the answer gone to. Make me show you how we kill son. Make me show you how we kill son. All who love the Almighty.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong.
The people of the Father, God love you, Musa Blanc. Max!
You love the life you live. Everything you
want to
Them say me look so cute under the AC in the Benz in the Calabar flag.
Pick up Dunrich people them. Me rate the whole of uno. Pound of a teacher look an idiot there. That look a duppy but never stop my shop dancer.
Some me say them can't pan ya. From them not speak no truth, say them can't pan ya. From them might spill it for you, say them
That's right that. That's right that.
Some boy you're that reckless like too. And you don't play the man.
All who not tell the disrespect.
Fake disrespect is an aspect. Someone who know who they man is. There is no time to waste. Some come to story to patch I corrupt what in them and create. Tell them chance them ways. Being you glory, I'm not come just off your ways. So your money around the place, boss a blank. Kick sound of them face in around. Jump on them and the down. But from a gun, turn up the scheme. Oh God, yeah.
How is Bobby juggling rich?
Me a couple dog, me know that end for me. Better say no, better say loyalty. Before you trouble the family, just remember me.
All who are them friend them.
So the name, on the help me call the name. What name? Wall. Give on yourself a road. Them guys in front can't read, man.
You see, son, they play first of them bag a new song. Them little son can play them song and get found in a party. Anybody can play them there. Want me show you a real big man play song now? Watch ya.
There are lots of sounds in life.
What to them?
Some that you made.
Let me tell you again. Listen, song in there now. Linstead, what on? Watch your style here.
Man to man.
What it?
Is so unjust.
Some of them boy.
Children until
Tell them something right there. What to them?
old one race superior and another
What to them in there tonight?
inferior.
Watch Foundation song now. Watch Foundation song in there.
Here I come
With love. Turn them boys in, son.
Show the goodness and mercy of life.
Give them a clip full. Out of them a
Push up it.
Drop them like a rifle.
Don't let it go them. Let's go. Love to watch you watch it.
Shanty like a baby.
The girl them come out clean and smell good, scream at me. Some girls smell like Cersei. Let me tell you something in real life now.
Ravers, TJ rolling up.
Let me tell you something. I'm cheap. Let me tell you that.
Every girl I saw
Why is she not playing now?
She want roll with bad
Man, girl, I say me flaring. What? You don't hear me?
Some boys say them bad like me, man. Tell them nearly.
Can't say me ever beg him, I don't nice like that. Put me Kyle to him out, me we flop that. Hear me have me when I'm money, yeah me got that. Oh oh.
Baby, talk the man seriously. Push up the them.
Whole for me neck, nah give me eczema. Big baller, call me Benzema. Anyway you see me, you have to see them there.
Me feel just a person, so she need my body. Yeah. Me feel the same inside like my car.
Baby, tell her that.
A boy like me, we not mad. We not mad. Boy like we not mad. We not
Tell her boy the man.
Coulda pretty like Dolly and spend enough money.
Watch them girlie here, so. Well, I know. Them girlie right there, so. Them girlie over here, so. Them girlie over there, so. Watch your style now.
Time.
All of them bad man can't stop.
Oh, bad man at time. Come, go on. Come on, time. Right now, DJ Mental. Press some on the sample and we can save everything alright.
We select a play some.
DJ Mental, the mad boss. The Father give me strength when I'm doing and oh.
Every God bless, put up that one in here fast. I don't take them no.
Many forsake, but I can't live with
Linstead is a beating with a weed this morning. Fire Bigs come up as come say. It means a teddy bear. Fire Bigs there's a man teddy bear, a woman teddy bear. The next one come say me love things. Cause girl buy him bike, girl buy him beam, I do crazy things to get things. All who say me fi kill them, put up two under here, shell boss.
Sound like if DJ Mental the ugly like you. We beg God ring out the face and put it this on. Boy, the man, the doctor knock out the movement. Pupa said, gentle Jesus, meek and mild. Is this a gorilla?
If me fi kill them, push up here under here.
DJ Mental against the watch.
Fire Bigs.
Show me uno and all original that you have to show man.
Everybody gossa.
Yeah.
Everybody gossa.
Well, let me hear you tell me.
We have the under here. But Tony under there.
Get to them and no care enough. Badness plug in, 4G go change gear enough. And up when you see the fireball, let you see someone you like a telephone call. Before me,
you ready?
Make my gun.
What they got so far, stand there. Fire time, you know.
No change on the killer, yes, I'm the same one. Half a million problem out of
Level.
when them things say them.
Level. The man never know say any boy violate your mother when he run going to the station. Peace officer, big up for yourself. And this and the anthem, member say. Anyway, you dismiss her in front of it. And the dance and now them done up carry.
Oh, girls, them up, cause we got bust the cylinder. Matic in a lap, dance, I've got the window. We no fly kick in a chest, we no ninja. One of the strength in a mid index finger. Bust the cylinder.
Nobody yet a lie, them a tell. Inna your brain cell. Police in come. When you see cartel.
Style them. How is a mental?
The one on your Fire Bigs and DK. Last year, him forward a Guinness bomb near fire explosion.
How him name Real Money this year? Hey boy, you snitch. You DQ with this big cut in your face. Bad man not afraid of cut in your face. And the man will cut it and me a pray. Remember say.
We no frightened so easy.
Ready now!
All when you rolling with the army that know. Not nice. The boy run like a wounded dog.
Big on the wall now.
You see him record.
Big on the wall now. Disgrace on the exit tonight.
Me no take intimidation down. From me a little boy, me no fear man. Me give me to live up at this station.
This on the tree of them.
Come on up. Inside your man, take on the bank robber.
Aye. Time, bad man. We're gonna start off, of course, with the two resident judge, Bishop Escobar. Pleasant night, my boss. What go on for you clash so far? Talk to me.
Hey, first thing, Dulwich Sound. Stage performance. Did I write and sing? Real money. The crowd talk for itself and you prove yourself.
Not nice.
Yeah, quick. Wall Street, good round. Mental, yeah, good round too. Yeah.
DJ Sunshine in our place. Bust a blank for you right now. DJ Sunshine, what you say, mama?
Boy, I tell you, real money took advantage of the fact that Dunrich came out and just played the top 10. Real money just took everybody to school.
As you know, the judges' decision is final, and the judges say ranked first in the #1 spot is Real Money. Ranked #2 is DJ Mental. Ranked 3rd is Dunrich World Sound. And 4th is Wall Street Sound. When we return, these 4 sounds have a very big challenge ahead of them right here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Now with the judges behind me and based on the ranking from round #1, these sounds have now been placed into 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Group A consists of those ranked #1 and #4, and Group B consists of the sounds ranked #2 and #3. Now, each group will have to play 5 songs based on a theme given to them just tonight. At the end of that, the judges will decide which one from each group will make it to the 3rd and final round, the dub for dub round. So right now, it's all about the challenge round. Let the challenges begin.
The sound that won the juggling round, who placed first, 79 points, is Real Money. Second, DJ Mental, 73 points. In 3rd place, Dunrich, and then pushed through with 56 points. And of course, Wall Street 4th with a mere 35 points. So who placed first, which is Real Money, will go up against Wall Street. Second, DJ Mental will go up against Dunrich. So Real Money, Wall Street. The challenge round is 5 songs from Dennis Brown.
The challenge round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All who know say you rather plant some yam and some banana in a real life more than if you do the wrong thing but a blank in the ear. People, you know me and Mental supposed to be friend and him come up here come talk a bag of things and I get personal. Let me tell you what mash up Jamaica. Too much bad mind, too much red eye. All the ear Mental I talk about clothes, a laptop alone him one. Me one son, me one car, me one everything. And we no copy a hype. All the people that me know say not hype for your friend but a blank in the ear. Level. A bad mind and mash up Jamaica. All the people that me know say you're clean. Tell them say.
Too much.
We love.
Love and hate can never never be friends. Oh no.
A talent me I use tonight.
Oh no.
A talent me I use.
Here I come with love.
Bob Marley are the king of reggae music, but Dennis Emmanuel Brown are the crown prince.
The promised land.
Who's by it?
Alright.
All in Jamaican. All in Jamaican. All who know say you now make politician mash up the country, must have blank in the ear. Big up all of the real rabbi them. Level. All the way Dennis Brown must stream blank in the ear, quick and fast.
Do you know what it means?
That is your 5 real money. Give them a round of applause, man.
Big up you there, stand up for your belief in it. When me play a song, I know what me I talk about. Level. Somehow the girl, when the man go out and work the money and come in, and go on 10 grand and still go in them pocket, and talk about the one the man for love on the same way. Let me tell you something in real life now. Let me tell you something in real life now. Foundation. Dennis Emmanuel Brown, what one? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Every man fear my girl. Let me tell you something in real life. Foundation, sir. Dennis.
Oh, I wake up in the morning with
What the brother?
she says
Me and the man that can take care of the girls on road one.
and then I stumble to the breakfast table while the kids were going off to school.
In the real life now. Some man I put them things to get girl. That no work road boy. Big up the girl. Let me know say you love your man for him is not for him having a life. When me play a song, I know what me I talk about. Let me tell you. No idea.
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get it. Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love.
In the real life. Big up the man. Let me know say take care of the girls them in a real life. Somehow the boy want this the girl, and I expect the girl them for love or no. Big up the man now say you care out your girl and take care of her, make she feel nice. When me play a song, I know me I talk about. In the real life, Dennis Brown, what on? What on in there?
How could I possibly
No idea. Hold on.
Who do you think is going to win between Real Money and Wall Street?
I would say real money.
Real money are going nice.
Real Money are going. Out of 10, how much you gave them? Real Money.
Real money, 8.
10.
Let's say I give him my 8.
And how much would you give Wall Street?
Was 5.
6. That's the two.
All right. It's the voices of the public. It's the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Round 2. Challenge, baby.
So Dunrich, mental, challenge round, 5, Gregory Isaac.
I'm going to address Fire Biggs. Fire Biggs, you're supposed to clash the next sound over yourself. Oh, yeah, call my name. Ladies, start the show. Don't like me off, ladies. Shell boss, they're not going to tire of me tonight. Remember.
They still want more.
All who love reggae music, put up your hand in the air. We have the answer. Make them sing, Shell boss. Make them sing. All of the man you know say own a woman, put up your hand in the air. Own a woman meaning say, night time a woman have to come home to you. All girls put up 2 and make Father God sit now.
Please don't you hurt her, though she wants true and heroin.
Shelboss, no, stop it. Make them sing, make them sing.
Though she isn't in my top 10,
No, stop it, no, stop it.
my child.
Every man will love woman, put up your neck, Father God, say. Fire Bigs, him now come over him text it for me. Don't reach. The whole of them call me name in a dub. And me alone there for no war. Oh, no war, the man didn't come on for me case. All who know say no one about the text it for you, tell them say. Let's tell them. Every warrior over there, when the warrior them, they put up your hand in the air. The man them out in the top in the face. Tell them say.
Fighting against conviction.
Man, that's six shell boss. Don't play nothing. Pull up. Don't play nothing again. All of the people know say the more them fight, the stronger way you get. Nobody can stop you. Only you can stop yourself. For your brother yourself, put up one under the air, play that shell boss. One never talk, sell them say. Guinness sons of greatness. Tell them me say.
I fall from me fender. No, she neither.
Pull up. Fire Big say, I own a laptop and him own a sound. Why never play theme sound? You know, since the boy they sell out. All of the man who know say, you always supposed to have a woman in your life. Especially when rain a fall, the night cold, breeze a blow. The man who know when they left you so tonight, they go up to a woman. Every man will love woman, go so. Biggest girl in the world. Every girl is go so. Not nice bishop when that girl is gossip. Tell me woman, say me say.
Tell her try your best just to make
it play, make it play. Sing out.
Nice.
Wow.
That was your 5, DJ Mental.
Lord Jesus and peace. You don't really feel like them come represent for the artists them a while ago? The whole of them up here tell peer line. Let me tell you what I go on now. Let me tell you what I go on. Level. Ladies, them the little baby talk, they won't come and make tune you can't get to know. Let me tell you something now, baby.
Listen, darling.
Level. You see that girl in front of me? Let me ask you a question.
Now who's gonna go?
Play a song for me girl, them no man. Oi. No, sir, me want to talk to them girl. You see that girl here?
I heard you said to me.
Walk on.
You wanna be mine.
Play a song for the girl, them sing at it. Oh, turn up the red sound. Turn it up. What I feel. Aye. Ease up. God, remember telling you something. Ladies, your man never cuss and fight yet. No fight time the man start move away. And you don't know, say, you find certain things in him phone. Zane, when you find some things in him phone, him start tell you one bag of things. You don't gonna believe him, though. But guess what now? All the way, man, that's how we grew up. So now I give you one little chance. So see when I give you one little chance, I'm gonna say, baby. Ladies.
Now some other man will buy you diamonds.
Hey, you. Music! Somebody say music! Let's talk to our judges. Starting with Not Nice.
Real Money. Good run. Good selection of songs. Wall Street. Need for Wall Market Street and River Road. Yeah. Mental.
You play some Gregory Isaac and playing first, you never pick the right song them. Dunrich, I have no problem with on the selection.
Mental, as them say, play the song them and never use the advantage. Dunrich, you somewhat play the bigger song for Mental, but the fact that Mental was scored second in the first round, him have a higher advantage. So
I think Real Money and DJ Mental were just too concerned about each other when it wasn't necessary at that point. Wall Street, Real Money in that round, the energy level was very low, but still Real Money did better than Wall Street. DJ Mental, Dunrich, I was disappointed with the selections and the order of the selections from DJ Mental. Dunrich just couldn't do any wrong at that point, so I gave it to Dunrich over Mental. But still yet, Real Money, DJ Mental, they're gonna meet in the final round.
In the juggling round, Wall Street scored 35 points. Third place was Dunrich with 56 points. DJ Mental scored 73 points. Real Money scored 79. Let's tell you how the points standing now after the challenge round. Wall Street got eliminated with 78. DJ Mental went through with 129, scoring 1 point over Dunrich at 128. Real Money leading the clash at 143. Fans, I am just the referee. I only deliver the news. So in the dub-for-dub round, Real Money to the stage, Mental to the stage to see who will win this clash tonight.
Now that was a very challenging round, but at the end of it, only 2 sounds have emerged, and that is Real Money and DJ Mental, and they will face each other in the final dub-for-dub round. It is round 3 time when we return right here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit @Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
In this final dub-for-dub round, each of the 2 sounds left in the competition will play 7 dubs alternately. Only 7. At the end of that, the judges will score them, give their comments, and announce tonight's winner. It's winner number 3, week number 3 of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness right here in Linstead. Dub-for-dub time, you know. We see who's going to win now.
So Real Money, you get to choose first. Choose. Yeah. Choose. Yeah, one left. You have to take the one. What number that? First. What number that? Second. So remember, 7 song. Guinness Sounds of Greatness. The dub-for-dub round starts after...
Dub-for-dub begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go now. Big woman thing. A peace we preach. All our way family. A music and we enjoy ourselves. All of them on your song go and put up your hands up.
Must know about it.
Big song time.
I can tell you though.
Big song time.
Mental. A murderer.
Big song time.
I'm glad him call I man in because just don't pop the kitchen and sound.
Big song time now. Linstead. All who can defend yourself, Linstead people, put up your hand in here now. Linstead. Remember tell for your big set.
Let me tell you truthfully about DJ Mental. Yes,
Daniel, pull up.
People, I want the Mental in them cokehead artists, them with my voice. And $5,000 for them to play there, you know. And Mental, I come talk about him look good and him at it. Hey, you see them pants there? I shan't see alone with them pants there. I sense alone with them pants with the studs. See what money you spend here.
Real money. Make them know say you're not afraid of ugly face, cool
See what
face,
money you
neither
spend
monkey
here.
face. Real money kill them fast and my case we don't have no time for waste. Waterhouse, firehouse, tower in my road. Yo, you hear me? Admiral Tibet, Mr. Reality. Say what? A real money me say now. You are me to see what's
See what money you spend here.
yes.
See what money you spend here. See what money you spend here.
Real money is serious.
Fire Bigs. Look how much woman in the party and me come up here pre. Big up the people know you're God bless. Put up your lighter in the air now. Every God bless for there. Put up your lighter.
DJ Mental, the mad boss. I you
Shell
don't know
boss,
some
lead it up.
big rubber dub sound. You try everything, man. Hey, watch me, man.
What the God bless them, Shell boss.
Yeah, stop we again.
The God bless them, Donny.
Yeah, man. You're too red eye. By the way, we are caught picking this and we are caught picking it.
And me and Admiral Bailey part every day, a free him get that. Run a friend so will him go beg that. Ladies, a pink shirt me in, a pink shirt him no color. Here when money spend on voice song.
Now I'm asking for all crew now, you got the big bad sound called Real Money
Here when
sound.
money,
Man called D.
here when money spend on voice song.
Call the one your gazebo style. Run it. Big sound.
Here when money spend on voice song.
Tired of taking the blame.
Here when money spend on voice song.
Whoa, whoa, big sound on the edge.
Put ready.
Right along like a murder song, wanna know what you play.
You say a power with Admiral Bailey and you disrespect the artists them. Say the artists them are crooked. People, see bossy money you know.
It's all intentional. Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
What up your gun under the ear, sir? What up your gun
No
under the
mercy.
ear, sir?
DJ Mental no pet. Me sing. Your gun break shot.
People, you didn't hear me this Admiral Bailey a while ago. Big up Bounty Killer, my general, me rate him. But big up Ramesh Entertainment, me play a Ramesh artist.
Turn it up, me turn it to one notch again. We money no figure them, no for that about them.
Me play a Ramesh artist. Me play a Ramesh artist.
You do money them, real money them. A shot
Ah, where you saw? Ah, where you saw?
Shama. Yeah,
What are you
People, he might talk about money, sir. Shell boss, pay your money, sir.
DJ Mental, steady with him and tick.
Oh, go on, put up your hand here, sir. If you go on, keep your ear side. Bad people,
You
tell us it. Oh, sir.
outside and up. Glock 17 there with the. You know what I mean?
Javalani, a DJ, who you think for the more? DJ again.
Hear me no real money. When you are get sweet like this honey.
DJ again.
Just spend some real money, buy up some.
Everyone Mental.
Well, like said they made it can bust. Them shoulda say a some fuss.
That's a real money song.
Real money, them no laugh with me.
We love people.
He might play a song, me a play the dance for all that. All who read Bounty Killer, put up your hand here now. Big song
DJ
time.
Mental.
I
Some
call
boy
up in
pop
the
up and drive out like rental. Them offend you when them know them shit no try. Needless to give me no excuse when you take all about it. Boy, your skull grind.
Mental a week, I beg it. Killer the easiest youth for give a youth a dub plate. I beg him beg that. You feel like me money done? Pay me money.
Killing the sound is so easy to do.
Weird! A big song time now. A big song time, big song, Shell boss.
Yeah, man. This a DJ Mental. DJ Mental.
We know how to see back fire bigs, no time at all. Play a shit. Get more killer.
When we kill your sound, we will kill you forever.
Out the road, Shell boss.
All who's a mental, that's a dead.
Oh, who's there? No real money sound, now with some boy a chat about. And the real money, you know. Rastafari.
Balance. All the people that don't say nothing and this is a from nobody. That's a real money song.
Real money now have no mercy. On
We Lord.
Why fire mix? You're dead already. Yeah, this the whole of the artists them. Me don't know you're gonna make it out. A big song himself, Shell Boss. Knock it again.
DJ Mental. Yeah, hear me?
Put some tempo on it.
This thing. Junior Ritz says so. Yeah.
Linstead. Big song himself. Speed it up, Shell Boss. That two and the camera around us, so. That two clown here.
So now so not go dead. Them idiots select to they be
Dash. Dash. Mental want to one blood. Want to one blood. A PM couldn't pay for that one day. Mental you broke. Only thing I take your money and do, I buy tight pants. No man no one see now your tights them mental. You know no money.
Run it pon them real money. Some boy, DK, run it pon them. Fire bigs. Fire. Run over them. And the message to the Kabbalah, so take it away.
All who's a mental, then we have the end them. All who's a mental, then we have the end them. We have the end them.
It doesn't matter what you play now, somebody.
Fire bigs, all you should have blind. Now you take your good ear, my father God see and see me in a tight pants. You watch man Hardy. Time is up.
Yeah, man, 7 song you play bad.
I 7 song now?
Yeah, alright.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
Mental, real money. Yeah, me couldn't afford for them play next road. Me tired of the tight pants war.
Every lighter, every hand go. Linstead, on the helmet walk up to the stage right now. The brother, the man, Go Bay. He goes by the name, the up top,
Hypnotize. TG, brother. From Mobile to Kingston, up top,
everybody.
Watch out now.
If you know, see you spend your own money coming in, go so. Go so. All of the girls, if you never borrow no clothes, go so. Run it up, hey, watch out there. Pull up in on the street, jump out of the grind, me go get up. And every girl has some sweet. Up top around the stage, show and roll it. Girl has some fleary. You know hear me. Some boy you say them mad like man tell them daily. Sing, and you just see me just a. Hey girl, I want it. Lock off like them. See for my girl, I'm in a Linstead. Hey, she alright with me, alright with she my tapper, me a fear tapper J. Money no care, you ask her about J. She tell her about me. Alright, she can come begin me for me. Me mash up his hammer if you stand up your wine. I better say that love you make you. I better say that touch you make you. Bubble your body for the bad man get touch your baby and up. Jump up in the like say you're up. Remember me get up not every. Hey, but for me touch that. So you tell your friend them say the boy. And that your love brace he can say. Make me not be a bit. Tell them me no. I'm a good year, me beat up in a your schema. Me don't love the people, rise, I'm a good year, me beat up in a your schema. Hey!
The Dubs have definitely done their damage, and right now, the up top boss TJ is dropping some lyrical bombs on stage. The judges are currently deliberating, and when we come back, we will have our decision. We will know who is this week's winner in the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit @Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
It is the final segment of what was an absolutely exciting clash, and our MC Badabling is, as usual, being his entertaining self before he throws to the judges for their final decision. So let's take a look.
Bishop Escobar, what go on, Jay?
I am going to make the crowd call my shot for me. Do you see a winner? The winner is... Me not tell you.
Mental a kick the ball him over the crossbar, pass the goal post, and real money, top corner in net, far corner in net, everything score. So, real money for my money.
The Sound who dominated the entire dub for dub round with 333 points. It's no other than Real Money Sound.
Somebody say Real Money! Real Money is the winner for the night. Thank you for making the Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
So it is Real Money that has walked away with this week's top prize, and they also get a chance to compete in the Grand No Bigs. Congratulations, how are you feeling right now?
Yeah, man, feel good, that's it. You know there's something called top breath.
How did you feel on stage tonight? Were you nervous any at all, or were you prepared?
You know, we just feel just fully confident and just know say, yo, we have to come execute, you understand? Because you know the thing going on. We're there and we just execute and just please the fans them.
What was the game plan for tonight?
The same plan what you see, I will stick to it.
And you stick to it. Now, going into the finals, you will join the likes of Shadrach Sound and DJ Naz. Are you in any way at all worried about your competitors, or what do you think of your competitors so far for the finals?
First of all, big up DJ Naz, the female. You understand, but you see everything else dead. And you don't know me and Naz go dub for dub. Yeah man, big up the whole team, you understand? And big up the sound them will participate same way. You don't know the thing, but big up everybody will come out to support them sound. But you understand, you know, real money, we don't spend counterfeit, we're there.
That's it for week 3 here of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. But of course, you know, there's lots more sound clash culture coming your way. Join us live next week at the UDC car lot in the Portmore Town Centre on Friday, June 7 for our next 4 sounds clashing. And of course, you know, you can catch all the highlights next week, Saturday, on TVJ at 9:30 p.m. for lots more Guinness Sounds of Greatness. So until next time, I am your girl, Jade. I have to say a very big thank you to Loud Fashion for my outfit tonight. Yeah, get me. Ooh. Ah. Yes. On behalf of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness team, bless up. Mwah.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you without you even knowing it. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.